Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine at home. Today our next class, online education class, and we will discuss about something more. In the last class we have discussed about the past tense, the present tense, active to passive form, and today we will discuss about past tense, active to passive form. I think you know me, my introduction. Let me introduce myself. Khairul Bashar, your language teacher, standard 7. So in the last speech, what I have told you, that look at the screen, past tense, active to passive form. In case of present tense, it was present simple, present continuous, and present perfect. And today, as we are discussing about past tense, so the classification will be past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. Hope you have practiced the present form of active to passive. If you would practice, then I think it will be easy for you now to understand past tense in active to passive form. So let's go for the structure of past simple. You can see on the screen. First, we have to put object. Then we have to go for was or were. Then we have to go for V3 plus by plus subject. And you can see one thing, just like common thing, that whenever we are talking about active to passive, of course our object will be at the beginning and our subject will be at the end. So look at the screen on the example. Active, I heard a noise. Passive, a noise was heard by me. You can see here, I heard a noise. My subject is I and my object is a noise. And that has become, in passive, a noise that has become my object. My object has become subject. A noise was heard by me. My subject has become object, me. So the another one, past continuous. You can see first we have to put object, then we have to go for was being or were being plus V3 plus by plus subject. It will be was being or were being. It depends on the, just like subject, is it plural or singular. So you can see the example, they were making a noise. Passive, a noise was being made by them. It was same like the, just like it is same like the past simple, as I have said, that our subject will become our object and our object will become our subject. So they were, they is my subject in active, what has become object in passive, them, and a noise that was object, it has become my subject in passive form. So active is they were making a noise. Passive, a noise was being made by them. Is there another one? Past perfect, object plus had been plus V3 plus by plus subject. So go for the example. Active, our team had won the match. You can see the passive, the match had been won by our team. So here our team, which was my subject in active, that has become object in passive, our team, you can see. And the match, what was object, it has become subject in passive form. So the match had been won by our team. So that's all. It's very easy. The more you will practice, the more you will learn. You should not stop learning. Okay, so practice at home with different kind of sentences, active to passive form, and just like write it, note it down. It will be easy for you to learn. That's all for today. Thank you.